Hello everyone, welcome to another weekly video, and this time we are going to talk about gap analysis. Regulatory is a dynamically changing field with constant updates in regulations, guidelines and standards, and it is inevitable to upgrade your systems and documentation with them. This video covers gap analysis in terms of the latest change in the regulation for medical devices and in vitro medical devices, that is MDD to MDR, IVD to IVDR, along with gaps in quality management system and other product or performance related standards. When it comes to EU MDR, the regulation has imposed certain mandatory requirements that are applicable to existing MDD certified devices and have to be complied with immediate effect, and others that are to be taken care in stipulated transition timelines. Similar requirements are imposed on the IVD devices, and with the IVDR being implemented on 26th May 2022, it is only advisable to identify gaps in your documentation and QMS to check your readiness. Under gap analysis for EU MDR and IVDR, we will review the current documentation, advise on required changes, and if required, also assist in complying with those changes. Quality management system gaps are a new topic of discussion, with the EU MDR and IVDR mandating changes and additional requirements to be complied with. Preparation of regulatory strategy and appointing a PRRC being few of them. With the advent in science and technology and the expansion of our understanding, generally applicable medical device standards and other product-specific, process-specific, testing-specific and performance-specific standards are constantly revised, and it becomes difficult for manufacturers to constantly gauge such changes in routine manufacturing activities. We at Marvin can review your documents for compliance to the latest standards and regulations and provide you a detailed report of gaps along with performing an internal audit of your systems and practices. Why stay inundated in a constantly changing field when you can simply outsource them to the experts? That's all for today. See you next week with another interesting topic. Till then, stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe.